In today's video, I'll teach you how to cancel Zoho subscription. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in crm.zoho.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Zoho CRM. You'll be able to log into your Zoho CRM account. Simply enter your credentials and you'll be logged into your account. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here, initially you'll land in the home interface. So if you want to cancel your subscription, for that what you have to do is click on the profile icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see your profile. Simply wait for a while. Now you'll be able to see your profile over here. Also you'll be able to see your current plan. Right now I do not have any subscription, but if you have subscribed to any plan, it will be shown over here. Right next to it, you'll be able to find the option for manage. What you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to another interface. When you go to that interface, what you have to do is simply find the button or link that says cancel subscription. Click on it. Now after you do that, simply follow through the prompts in order to unsubscribe to that particular plan. You'll also receive the email. The email will be the proof that you've unsubscribed to that plan. So like this, you'll be able to unsubscribe to the particular plan in Zoho. So that is how you cancel Zoho subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.